Now, a very important question from the examination point of view, and basic thing is for learning also, a very good question. Okay. Now, the question is, limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus cos x cos 2x upon x square. Now, there is a radical sign in the numerator. So, what we are going to do? We are going to rationalize this one. Now, this becomes 1 plus cos x with cos 2x upon 1 plus cos x square root of cos 2x. Okay. Now, limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus cos square x cos 2x upon x square with 1 plus cos x square root of cos 2x. Now, here I am just going to request you that in the running mood, when we are going to appear in the exam, when we are sitting in the examination hall, something struck in mind. Sometimes if you remember, it is given 3 plus 2, okay, and we are writing that as a 6. We are not realizing that it is 3 plus 2, we are just writing 3 2s, 3 times 2, okay. That is a common error, that is a common human mistake, you can say, student mistake. Same here. Now, here why this question is very important? Because when it is written 1 minus cos square x, then directly you are writing sin square x. But remember, this cos square x is not a separate thing. This cos square x is combined with the cos 2x. Okay. Only here the student goes wrong. Okay. So, now this becomes limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus cos square x. Now, formula for cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 upon x square 1 plus cos x cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. Limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus 2 cos raised to power 4x plus cos square x upon x square 1 plus cos x square root of cos 2x. Limit x approaches to 0, negative of 2, because this is having the highest power, plus cos square x plus 1 upon x square 1 plus cos x square root of cos 2x. Okay. Now, by factorization, now we are going to factorize the upper part. Okay. So, after factorization, what we will be having? We will be having limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus cos square x and 1 plus 2 cos square x upon x square 1 plus cos x square root of cos 2x. Okay. Up to here it is okay. Now, we can just split it something, because now what we are having, we can write it limit x approaches to 0, sin square x upon x square. 1 minus cos square x is what? Sin square x. So, sin square x upon x square times limit x approaches to 0, 1 plus 2 cos square x upon 1 plus cos x square root of cos 2x. Is it clear? Now, limit x approaches to 0 sin x upon x whole square, because it is sin square x upon x square, okay, into, now let us x approaches to 0. Now when x approaches to 0, what we are having? 1 plus, here it is cos 0. What is cos 0? That is 1. 2 times 1 upon 1 plus cos 0 is 1, here cos 0 is 1. So 1 times 1, that is 1. Okay. So now this becomes 1 times 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Now, limit x approaches to 0, sin x upon x is equal to 1. Is equal to 3 by 2, and this is what? This is the answer.